If the first cucumbers have already started growing on your plants, then this is something you need to do as soon as possible. In fact, the real struggle for the plant begins right now, when it is trying to feed those first fruits while also producing dozens of new flowers at the same time. Most people make a critical mistake at this stage and let the plant exhaust itself, thinking nature will take care of everything. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a powerful homemade fertilizer that can help your cucumber plants produce fruit like crazy. To do it, I'm not going to the store for chemicals. Instead, I'm heading to the kitchen. I'll use 2 ingredients, and one of them is something most people throw away. The first thing I use is ordinary banana peels. Instead of ending up in the trash, they become a rich source of potassium and phosphorus, 2 nutrients cucumbers desperately need for large, firm fruits. The process is a little different from what you might expect. First, I cut the peels into very small pieces so they can release their nutrients more quickly. Then I pour boiling water over them, which immediately starts extracting the minerals hidden inside. While that cools down, I prepare a secret weapon that very few people associate with gardening. But before I show you the next ingredient, there is something important you should know. Never water your plants during the hottest part of the day because you can seriously damage them. Always water them in the evening. Now I add 1 tablespoon of ground cloves to the mixture. Clove powder has remarkably powerful properties. Its intense aroma and natural compounds help create a protective barrier around the plant, making the soil less attractive to pests while helping to protect the sensitive cucumber roots from harmful fungi that thrive in moist conditions. I stir everything thoroughly and leave it to sit overnight. By morning, the water will have absorbed the best compounds from both the banana peels and the cloves. The next day, I strain the liquid through a fine cloth or sieve to remove any particles, then dilute the concentrate with another ½ liter of clean water. I apply this nutrient-rich solution only around the base of the plant, directly to the root zone. Be careful not to spray it on the leaves, as cucumbers do not like excessive moisture on their foliage. About 300 milliliters of this infusion is enough for each plant. However, moderation is important, so repeating this treatment once every 2 weeks is more than sufficient and helps maintain the natural balance of the soil. Let me know in the comments below if you have ever tried using cloves to protect your plants. See you in the next video.